So we originally had a rusty section just here. So very well the bracket back on. Got to just clean this one up. Get that a bit of an etch. We're just going to dot grind a little bit of this one down. We're going to leave most of that weld there and up there for strength. Then we've just finished this one. Not easy to do. Probably get the round file in there and just file right in there, just a tiny little bit. Oops, right in that spot. And then tomorrow we will make this little section up. We'll roll it over this part of the guard that's solid, so then we can just trim this out and weld that up into there. And then that's most of the repairs done, other than this big section down here, which is not going to be easy to do. So yeah. And then I've got to take this bit here back because I found that bubble this morning. Going to check that out now.